Today, we'll be demonstrating how to manage your property's guests. After logging in, click Tenants at the top of the page. Now, click Guests. From here, you can view the guests and their information, such as email address, phone number, which tenant invited them, their access credential, and the date they were invited. If you ever need to remove a guest's access, simply click the vertical ellipsis to the right of that guest. Click Delete Guest, and then click Accept in the pop-up window at the top of the page. Once the guest has been deleted, your tenant will receive an email informing them that their guest has been removed. For more information and tutorials, or to request help, visit the GateHawk knowledge base, or visit GateHawk.com to get started.